On tonight's show, we have special guest, star of Italian Spiderman and Danger 5, Susanna Dekker. We have some brownies. And later on, we have Hollywood superstar Mel Gibson. Here are your hosts, Baboon and Pseudo.
Welcome to the show. I'm Pseudo Simeon and this is Baboon. Please welcome our first guest, Susanna Dekker. Hello.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be here and I'm so excited to hear Mel Gibson's on the show. I can't believe it. That's great.
Yeah, I can hardly believe it myself, actually. So Danger 5, great TV show. It's currently on Netflix, so definitely check that out if you can. How would you describe the show to someone who's never seen it before?
It's a pretty crazy show. So basically it's like Thunderbirds meets Garth Marenghi's Dark Place on acid. Is probably how I...
That sounds very intense. We've actually got a clip of you in action, so let's take a look at it.
2 pounds dark rum, crushed ginger, filled with orange soda. The perfect Heil Hitler.
Good work, Pierre. One less traitor in the world.
So, Susanna, you actually died in that clip, but you do come back, don't you?
Yeah, I do. It's like Monty Python, so I come back as a different character each time.
What a relief.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got some brownies on. I'm just going to go check that they're doing okay.
Awesome.
I'll leave you with Baboon to watch the next clip.
Cool. Sounds good.
Please help me. Pseudo's gone insane. He's been holding me hostage here and he's forcing me to co-host this show. You're the first celebrity that's actually turned up.
Do you mean that Mel Gibson's not coming?
Of course not! Look, when he comes back, we have to try and overpower him.
So did you watch the next clip?
Yeah, we were just saying how it had a real impact.
Wait, I don't want to do it.
Please, Susanna, please.
Is that the hammer again? I'm so sorry about this, Susanna. He does this every time. Has he told you I'm crazy as well?
Yeah.
He's such a joker. So anyway, Italian Spiderman. Great film. Is there any chance that there'll be a sequel to that?
Unfortunately not. There is a court case against it. So yeah, we won't be using that again, but there may be more Danger 5 coming up, so keep tuned.
Oh, that's good news.
That was a shame, though. Pseudo, do you want to prepare your surprise for Susanna?
I thought you said that was a really bad idea.
Yeah, I've had time to think about it, and I think you should do it. I mean, everyone likes a surprise, don't they, Susanna?
I like surprises.
Yeah, okay then. I'll go get that ready.
You've got to get us out of here.
I think you're overreacting. He actually seems like a really nice guy. I don't know what your freaking problem is.
I wouldn't eat that if I were you.
You know you're so sexy. You know you're so fine.
This isn't a game, Susanna. He's got a bad temper. And he's obsessed with you. Look! It took him ages.
I wish you were mine. I bet you like to chihuahua all night. You know you're amazing.
I'm gonna go. I've just gotta get out of here.
You can't leave me here. He's killed. And he'll kill again.
What do you mean?
There used to be 3 of us, Susanna.
What happened to the other guy?
Poor bastard. He was dead before he hit the ground. Oh shit! Fuck! You've upset him! Grab the other one! We can use them to break the fall!
Isn't this the 3rd floor?
Oh, fuck! Don't move. He's coming.
I guess that's the end of the show. We could have been the next Badil and Skinner. But you had to go and spoil it all. Oh well. One more obstacle to remove.
Yeah, you mean like Mark? Don't speak his name!
Pseudo, that was a really nice collage that you've put together. Is that your real name, Pseudo?
No, my real name's Bilal.
Bilal. Wow, that's a very exotic name. You're very talented.
You're just saying that. You're trying to trick me.
No, I really love creative people. I'd love to go on a date with you.
Well, I am very creative. I made this statue of us.
Oh wow. It's very beautiful.
No! Please! Please take me with you!
You're a fucking lunatic!
Susanna!
Crazy like him!
Please!
I'm gonna call the police!
Susanna! Don't go, Susanna! Susanna!
Oh, God. Oh, Mel. Oh, you're too funny. I love you. Baboon, you haven't touched your brownie.
Sunshine, hello blue skies, hello lovely day.
Hello sunshine, hello sky. Hello white clouds floating by. Hello cooling summer breeze, come whistling through the trees. Hello salmon, hello seas. Hello positivity, surrounding everything I see. Hello happy, hello free. Hello you and hello me.